Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, any day above and not under. It's a blessed day, y'all. Amen. Amen. Now y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Whew. I'm late, y'all. Got in not too long ago. Rushed to put something together. You know I gotta do something. Gotta eat something. So I got some fries with some shrimps, and it's got cheese on there. All right. Okay. That tastes so good. Let me give y'all a bite. Y'all want a bite? Hold on. Let's get some hot sauce on here. Oh, shoot. Hold up. Y'all, I realized yesterday, I watched that video. I'm like, Dad, I did not describe the taste of that food, but I was hungry. And I'm quite sure y'all could see that it's very good, y'all. That's all I know. It's very, very good. All right. Just something quick. Go in the kitchen. Stir it up. These cheese fries up under there. Who don't love cheese fries and shrimps? How was y'all day? This is good. Oh yeah, and I did put some jerk sauce on it. I don't know. Oh, I got a hiccup.
Can you stop jerking everything?
Nope. I don't know. I've been on a jerk craze lately.
Yes, you have.
All right, jerk it.
You had that jerk chicken. You don't know how to act.
I swear.
She crazy,
Here y'all go. Take a bite. All that cheese on there. Shrimp, always gotta have shrimp. It's so quick, easy. Take a few minutes and you're done. Dinner on the table. What? Green apple. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all, the weather done turned. Yesterday it was nice. This morning I woke up. It was cold. I don't know what be going on.
It's that get sick weather, and
I swear.
they definitely got sick. Boy, every time I turn around, somebody coughing or they throat hurt.
I done got everybody in the house sick.
Not me.
Except for her.
And my B12.
I got Harry sick. And my son coughing now.
She got me doing all the favors.
She's something else.
I'm always need a favor.
Oh, we. Now, I think I just want to do like an ASMR eating show. I'm going to swear, y'all, sometimes I just want to munch.
You can go ahead and lunch.
I know.
But you always start off talking anyway.
Well, but for real, like, I think I'm gonna do that. Sometimes it's gonna be an ASMR video. Because I feel sometimes I just want to, just like yesterday, man. I ain't tell you how the food was, and it was great. I didn't tell y'all nothing. I'm like, Dad, that was horrible.
About herself.
Talking about what I need to do for myself, of course. Listen. Let's act like we got a little home training around here. Do not talk with your mouth full while you eating. Okay? While you chewing. Ooh, that was kind of spicy. I don't know what the heck I just said. Did it make sense? Don't know, but who cares? Anyway, like I was saying, if you don't do it for yourself, who gonna do it for you? Please let me know. There's only so much a person can do for you. Bottom line, you gotta want it for yourself.
Preach it.
Mm-hmm. So yes, I am gonna talk about myself. And yes, I have to do better. Today I said that I'm gonna write up a contract for me and hold myself accountable for not losing some of this weight that I done put on. Mm-hmm. I should have had some more cheese. Mm-hmm. Y'all seeing my food? I don't know, it's kind of, yeah. I'm trying to hold on right there. Life is good, y'all. We gotta live it. Y'all, I was in a rush to fry these things. And I just floured them. I floured it and I'm like, ooh, I forgot the batter though. A liquid batter. Oh my. Whatever the hell you call it. What?
This necklace on 100 today.
It is?
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay, let me remind you.
It's not. I'm hot.
Got some beautiful being the life on you, babe.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm getting full. You want this, y'all? You want the rest of it? Alright.
You still eating though.
Okay, foodie fam. This is a very quick and short one. Today was a hectic day for me. But y'all know that, especially my riders, Y'all know y'all riding for me. I'm going to ride for y'all. So anyway, I can't stand that child behind. I tell you, I can't stand her. But I love her at the same time. Y'all know we got that love-hate relationship going on. Right? Okay. Alright. Love you, my foodie fam. I will see you all tomorrow.